Hello students, today we will discuss about leaving group. Okay, so now, what is a leaving group? For example, in nucleophilic substitution reactions. So here I have taken any alkyl halide. So nucleophile will attack on this alkyl group, and next this halide leaves from the substrate. So which is leaving from the substrate? So that is called as leaving group. So here there is a formation of bond in between nucleophile and alkyl group, and next X minus left the substrate. So X minus is a leaving group here. So here it is a negative leaving group. Some positive leaving groups also will be there. So now, this leaving group, if it is more stable, means more tendency it will have to leave from the substrate. More tendency to leave from the substrate. So now here negative charge is there. So all we know that negative charge becomes stable. Negative charge becomes stable in the presence of electron withdrawing groups, or if there is a resonance, or for example in the case of I minus, more charge, more size. Okay, in all these cases negative charge will become stable. So when it will not become stable means, so negative charge is less stable with electron releasing groups. Negative charge less stable with electron releasing groups. Okay, now why we are talking about stability means, so more the stability of the leaving group, so when it left from the substance, so when it is more stable, then the tendency to leave from the substrate will be more, means more rate will be. So here the stability of this leaving group is important. So now neutral leaving groups are more stable than negative leaving groups. Okay, so now, so for example, if we take some ions like this, I minus, Br minus, Cl minus, and F minus, we have taken as A, B, C and D. Okay, so now what about stability? So here which ion is more stable? So which ion is more stable? A is more stable than B. So here I minus is more stable. So because down the group, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, down the group the size increases, so charge density decreases, so I minus is more stable. So now which will having the more leaving tendency? Which will have the more leaving tendency? Iodine will have more, because iodine is more stable. So now for example here I have taken alkyl halides like this. So where we will observe more rate of nucleophilic substitution. So in case of Ri we will observe more rate. Okay, so now for example, if we have taken OH minus CH3O minus, so among these both, which is more stable? So negative charge is more stable with electron negativity. So here negative charge on oxygen, so here also negative charge on oxygen, but it is attached with CH3. So here stability of A will be more than B. And next, leaving tendency. So here leaving tendency also, OH is greater than CH3O minus methoxide. So here hydroxide is more better leaving group than methoxide. So next, so here tosylate ion. Okay, this is also a good leaving group. So now here CH3 is attached. CH3 is an electron releasing group. Okay, so now here CH3 is attached. For example, here, so here for example I am taking O minus, so here Br. So which is a better leaving group among these? So here electron withdrawing group Br, so here electron releasing group. So which is more stable? This is more stable, and this is a better leaving group than OTS. So now, so all these are the negative leaving groups. Let's check out some neutral leaving groups. Okay, so for example here I have taken like this. So positive charge on oxygen. So this gives R plus along with H2O. So now here, so here it gives R plus along N2. So among H2O and N2, which is the better leaving group? N2 is the better leaving group, and N2 is more stable than H2O. So next, for example, like the same, so here H2O and NH3, which is a better leaving group? Okay, weaker base is better leaving group among H2O and NH3. Which is a weaker base? H2O is the weaker base, so H2O is a better leaving group than NH3. Okay, so that is some information about leaving groups. So for example, if we write order of the leaving groups, so first nitrogen, and next iodide Br minus, so next you can write Cl minus, sulfate ion, and next tosylate. So directly I am writing here SO3 minus. Okay, next F minus. Okay, so this is some basic order. So even though the order of the leaving groups is very lengthy, so just I have represented some leaving groups in this. Okay, so now for example, so here I have taken CH3 tosylate. So here in the place of CH3 I have attached Br, Cl. So which is the more stable and better leaving group? These both are electron withdrawing groups. This is electron releasing group. So A comes at last. So among Br and Cl, which is a better electron withdrawing group? Cl. So that is the stability and that is the tendency of the leaving groups. Okay, so that's all for the today's class. Thanks for watching. Let's meet in the next video.